I'm going to show you how you can blend two images in Canva. So there are two images. One is this and this one is behind. Okay. So select this image on top. So I need to tell you that this works with image that you upload from your computer. Like this image, this one. So this is from the elements from Canva, so I cannot blend this. Okay, if you want to blend this image, if you want to apply that, any effect on this image, what you can do is you can go to share, download, and then upload that downloaded image to Canva again. Okay, you can do that. Otherwise it will not work with elements like the clip art type and then everything that's inside Canva by default. You cannot use this effect on them. You have to upload an image. So I uploaded this image. So this is selected. So I now go to app and I'll type image blender. Okay. Actually, I have already downloaded this. Okay. So it's already here. Image blender. So this is the first one. Okay, image blender. So it says graphics elements are not supported. Okay, so that means anything that's in Canva by default, those will not work. So okay, you can just click on this blend selected image. So I have already selected this image. Click. Now you see this arrow. So you have these two options, linear and radial. If you have been designing on Photoshop, Illustrator, anything, like difference between linear and radial. Radial is basically round, okay, round blend, round shaped blend. So linear is kind of straight line. Okay, so you can select this and you can also select the strength. Okay, up and down, and then you can change this direction here. Okay, so I'm going to change the direction like this. Okay, and then you have to save it. Do not forget to save it. If you don't save it, it doesn't work. Save. Okay, now the two images are blended. I hope I'm using the right form of verb. Blended perfectly. Okay, that's how you do it in Canva. It's easy, and the app you're using, the Canva app you're using, is free app. So yeah, that's all. Thank you.